Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to clear all the host names, static host name and pretty host name using hostnamectl command in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So first I am logging into terminal as a root user. So type the command hostnamectl. So here you can see that static host name and pretty host name is already there. So we are going to clear this, which means we are going to delete or remove the host names. Okay, so this is the command to remove the pretty host name. So hostnamectl set hyphen host name empty quotes, that's it, hyphen hyphen pretty. So this will delete the pretty host name. Yes, you can see that pretty host name is got deleted. So just give the empty quotes, it will delete the host name. So let us try for static host name. So this is the command to delete the static host name. See here, static host name is got deleted. So cat slash etc slash host name. Oh, okay. See here, host name configuration file also deleted. So don't try this command when your computer is available in network. So make sure that your computer in standalone or isolated mode. See, reboot also does not work here. So what you need to do is, please put back the host name. That's it. So I am giving static host name once again. I am putting back the static host name once again. So now you can see that configuration file also will be restored. So I am restarting the system d-hostname services. Okay, this is the way we need to clear the host names using hostnamectl command in CentOS Stream 9 operating system.